Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make this cute phone charm. I first begin by making the pan by rolling out a ball of clay and cutting out a small circle. I then take a strip of black clay and stick it around and make a strip of it and stick it around the circle. I also cut up a strip and stick it as a handle. I then make a hole in the handle. To make the bread slice, I cut a rectangle and give it some shape. I also take a thin strip of brown clay and wrap it around the bread. I then texture the bread with my clay brush tool and pointy tool. I then stick the bread onto the pan. For the bear, I stick two small balls of clay, one for the head and body, onto the bread. I then make the ears by sticking two small balls of clay and indenting them. I cut equal parts for the hands and legs and stick them onto the body as well. For the eyes and mouth, I take a thin strip of black clay and cut out dots and then stick them onto the face. I also add in eyebrows. As a final touch, I make an egg by taking a blob of white clay and flattening it, and then adding a smaller yellow ball in the center for the yolk. I then texture the sides of the egg with my ball tool. I finally mix some chalk pastel with water and apply it on the sides of the egg. I then stick all this onto place. I also add in cheeks for the bear. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.